In this video, I'll quickly demonstrate how to insert a hyperlink into your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can do this with just about anything, as long as there is text or some sort of value in a cell, or you can do it with images and shapes and all sorts of stuff. So I'm just going to do a quick link. We'll just type in YouTube. We'll do a link to YouTube here. And I can hit Control K, which is the keyboard shortcut to inserting a hyperlink, or I can right click that cell that I want to insert my hyperlink. Go down to the bottom here, click link. And then there's a bunch of different options you can choose from. We can choose from a file within our computer that is saved to our desktop. We can type in a web address or paste in a web address here to go to a web page. You can insert a place within the document, so you can reference to different locations in the spreadsheet or a new sheet within the same spreadsheet, which is pretty cool. You can create a new document, and you can also put in email addresses as well as a link. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste in my YouTube page for simplicity, and then we'll click OK. So you're going to see this blue and underline, which you can change if you want, but that just shows that the hyperlink is there. And when you hover over it, it's going to show you the web address or wherever it's going to take you. So we're going to click on that just to see that it works. And it brings up my YouTube channel, so it looks like it is working just fine. So like I said earlier, you can also insert a shape or a picture or something and link that as well. We're just going to draw a shape. And again, you can do the same thing, just hit Control K or right click and link. And then you've got your address. You can paste in your web address or whatever you want to link here, and then click OK. And then again, when you hover over it, it's going to show you that link of where it's going to take you. And then when you click it, it's going to take you to that location. So this is really awesome, really helpful for anyone who wants to put resources within their spreadsheets, whether you have a product and you want to put a location to where that is, or you could have a list of recipes and you could link all of the websites or the web pages that all of these recipes are from. It's just really helpful. Or you could have a list of employees and hyperlink all of their email addresses. Hyperlinks are just a really great way to keep everything streamlined and have everything all in the same location, so you don't have to be searching around for a bunch of different things or references. It can be easy to find everything in one spot. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. Remember to subscribe for more easy, quick Excel tutorials. No matter whether you're a beginner or you're an expert, I'm sure you'll come up with something that you have not seen before. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.